Let's go. So I always take my dog out for a walk early in the morning. She's going to make washroom. Come here. Come here. She's literally trained for everything, but she's very stubborn. She's very stubborn golden retriever. Bella. Yeah, now she's making the toilet. I have to stroll with her for like 5 minutes again. Now she finished the toilet. She's going back home. I'll do some little training with her. Sit. Come here, sit. Right hand. You throw my phone down. Look at the camera. Say hi to the camera. Bella, say hi here. Hi. Come here. Give me left hand. Hand. Good girl.